Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel that is Destiny Coaching Classes. Hope you all are doing very well. I am also well. Today in this video, we are going to dive into something very essential for your daily conversations. Today is day 2 of our 30-day English practice challenge. So, in this video, we are going to talk about basic question answer which is very essential for your daily conversation. Basic question and answer. Being able to ask and respond to basic question is the foundation of effective communication. We are going to explore something that is fundamental to mastering English. Basic questions and answer for daily conversations. Understanding the importance. Before we dive into examples, let's talk about why mastering these basic questions and answer is so crucial. These phrases are the building blocks of everyday communication. Whether you are interacting with friends, colleagues, or a stranger, being able to ask and answer simple questions effectively can make a huge difference in your confidence and ability to connect with others, whether you are at a store, meeting someone new, or just making a small talk. These simple yet powerful phrases will come in handy. In today's lesson, we'll cover common questions you can use in daily life, how to answer these questions confidently and correctly, tips to make your response sounds natural and fluent. First of all, we have to discuss categories of questions. There are a few key categories of questions that are most commonly used in daily conversations. First one is personal information question. These are questions related to basic personal details like what's your name, where are you from, or your job. Example: what's your name? When you meet someone for first time or some stranger, you can ask what's your name. So notice how intonation change the meaning. A rising tone at the end indicates a question. Practice this by repeating the question with different tones to see how it affects the delivery. The second one, health and well-being question. These questions are typically used as icebreakers or to show care and concern. For example, how are you? Responses can vary from the standard I am fine, thank you, to more elaborate answer depending on how much you want to share. Practice varying your responses based on the questions. The third one is location and origin question. This question helps in getting to know someone's background or finding out about a place. Example: where are you from? Depending on the situation, you might need to elaborate on your answer. For instance, I am from Mumbai or Delhi, but I have been living in Kanpur or Lucknow or wherever you live for the past 3 years. Occupation and work question. These are often used in professional setting or when meeting someone new. Example: what do you do? This question can lead to more detailed conversation about your profession, hobbies, and current project. You might say, I am a teacher, specialization in English or for non-native speaker. The last one is yes no question. These are straightforward questions that typically require a simple yes or no answer. Example: do you speak English? Even with yes or no question, you can expand your answer. Instead of just saying yes, I can speak English, or you can say, or you might add, yes, I am learning English to improve my communication skill. Practice and application. Now that we have covered the basic types of question, let's talk about how to practice. The key to fluency is repetition and real life application. Here are some practical exercises you can do. The first one is mirror practice. Stand in front of mirror and practice asking and answering these questions. This helps you work on your pronunciation, intonation, and body language. The second one is role playing. Find a practice partner or image different scenarios. For example, pretend you are at a job interview, a social gathering, or asking for direction in a new city. Listen. The third one is listening practice. Watch English movies, shows, or interviews and pay attention to how native speakers ask and answer these basic questions. So, notice the variation in their responses and try to mimic them. The fourth one is writing practice. Write down possible questions and answer you might encounter in your daily life. This helps reinforce what you have learned and gives you a reference to review later. That's all for today's video. Today we focused on mastering basic questions and answers, a crucial step towards building your confidence in everyday conversations. Congratulations everyone, you have successfully completed day 2 of our 30-day English speaking practice challenge. You are doing amazing. So get ready for day 3 where we will dive into something very basic and is essential, that is introduce yourself in front of others. It is going to be a game changer for your English fluency. So don't miss out on tomorrow's session. Keep up the great work and let's continue this journey together. If you like the video, like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye bye, take care, Allah Hafiz.